जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
বিভিন্ন কর্মসূচির মাধ্যমে বৃহস্পতিবার ৭৮তম স্বাধীনতা দিবস উদযাপন করল শিলচর শহরতলির উত্তর কৃষ্ণপুরের মরকজ পাবলিক স্কুল। বৃহস্পতিবার সকাল ৮:৩০টায় স্কুলে জাতীয় পতাকা উত্তোলন করা হয়। পরে শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকা, অভিভাবক ও স্কুল পড়ুয়ারা জাতীয় সঙ্গীত গেয়ে দেশের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা জানান। পরবর্তীতে বিভিন্ন ধরনের সাংস্কৃতিক ও প্রতিযোগিতামূলক অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করা হয়। এতে বিভিন্ন ক্লাসের পড়ুয়ারা অংশগ্রহণ করেন। অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন স্কুলের অধ্যক্ষ শফিক উদ্দিন, ম্যানেজিং ডিরেক্টর মজিবুর রহমান চৌধুরী, একাডেমিক কাউন্সিলর চেয়ারম্যান সাব্বির আহমেদ চৌধুরী, স্কুল ম্যানেজিং কমিটির সম্পাদক মইবুর রহমান তালুকদার সহ অন্যান্যরা। স্বাধীনতা দিবসের তাৎপর্য তুলে ধরে বক্তব্য উপস্থাপন করেন একাডেমিক কাউন্সিলের চেয়ারম্যান সাব্বির আহমেদ চৌধুরী। ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, ডেলি বরাক।
Loudly.
I am a grandmother.
Give a clap.
This is the 78th Independence Day of India. We are assembled here to celebrate this grand occasion. This occasion, this celebration, this gathering of the students is possible only due to the sacrifice of the thousands and thousands of martyrs who laid their life for the independence of this country. It is at the time to remember the sacrifice of those freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan, Sarojini Naidu, and so on and so forth. Innumerable numbers are there. We can remember them at this pious moment. Our young students who are the future of this country, who are the futures of this nation, they should remember their sacrifices and lead their life according to the great men's life. They are those departed soul. We should remember that the lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. So this this should be our motto. India is now an independent country, and the progress is manifold in every aspect, in education, in technology, in science and technology, in other fields also. India has developed in manifold ways. So our students should also not only should achieve progress in this field, at the same time they should be patriotic, they should pay their homage to the departed soul who laid their life for this country. They should pay due homage to those unknown patriots whose name are not recorded in the history, but still we know that they also did great services for this country. We should find out the names of this area also. There are innumerable freedom fighters whose names are not there, and we should find out the families of the freedom fighters and should remember them, give due honor to them. Our country has progressed, as I told, that in manifold ways, and this is possible only because of the persistent efforts by the several government that is coming in democratic way, one after another, and every government is striving its possible manner, in every possible aspect, to achieve success in every field. And we are fortunate enough that we live in a democratic country, fully democratic in the truest sense of the term, and the world's largest democracy is our country. We are proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be belong to that nation which uphold the cause of unity in diversity, which uphold the cause of this all unity in various aspects. We are today, we once again, I pay my homage to the departed soul, to the freedom fighters who laid their lives for this country once again. Thank you very much. Thank the guardians who have assembled here. Thanks to students who are crowding here and pay their respect to the national song, to the national flag, and to the country also. Thank you very much.